Uh-oh. What do we got here? Some mods. And which one is it going on? Hellcat or the RT? Actually, both. Stay tuned. Check it out. There's the new 2020 style bumper. Freshly painted. That's going on the Cat. And the Cat bumper's going on the RT. Okay, so we got all the pins out. All up there. Then there's two bolts up here you gotta get. You gotta take the side markers out. Gotta take all the pins off the top there. And then you gotta take off the sleeve underneath with a bunch of pins. What's the next bolts we have to get to?
Like
I thought,
flip.
oh, like here, right there.
Oh, there's two over there?
Yeah, that might be the T25.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're almost there. Alright, so we got the front bumper off. I got new headlights though with color changing headlights. So we got to take the headlights off now. There's the new lights. So let's give this a shot. Alright, we got the headlights out. It was pretty easy. There's basically just 4 bolts, top and bottom. And then you disconnect the power supply there. Tricky thing with these is that these are the HID headlights. So you got to take this whole assembly out. This actually goes into the new headlight. The new headlight, all it does is give me color on the outer edge there. So that's pretty much it at this point. We're going to start taking the bumper of the RT off. Put that on that. Alright, so there's a couple parts that did not come from Vicrez that I had to take off of the Hellcat bumper, which means we won't be able to put anything on the RT until I order a replacement. One of them is this center piece that the other grill components have to screw into. And then these pieces that go on the side that mount it into the body of the car, they actually have rivets that you have to drill out. So we're going to have to order those all. I'm going to have to order those also for the RT.
One to get to.
So we're almost done here. We just had to run all the lights, all the light cables before we put this on, and now we're mounting this up. Almost done. Okay, there it is. Finished product. Looks like a new car. So all in all, it was a pretty tough install, and unfortunately I had to take several parts off of this that weren't included that prevented me from putting that on the RT. So I'm going to have to order the parts that I had to steal off this, because it's definitely not just a direct swap. I couldn't put my new lights in. I got the new lights there, which are RGB lights. They change colors, but they won't work because these are HID headlights, HID headlights, and those are only for LEDs. Unfortunately, I asked the seller beforehand if those were HID compatible, if they were factory HID compatible, and they said yes, but they are definitely not. So, won't be able to do those lights. I also put extra LEDs here and inside there. And I have them tinted with Luxe window tint, so you can't see them that well. They are a little bit dimmer when you turn them on because it has that dark smoke coating on them. But I'd rather have them blacked out like that than seeing a white strip right here, even in the middle of the day. But yeah, all in all, really happy with the look. So this is the Vicrez 2020 style front bumper for a narrow body Charger. Thanks for watching.